Most popular decluttering methods are doomed to fail. I understand why you'd want to use them though. When you watch them on Netflix or YouTube, they look so impressive with their color-coded systems. But the issue is, if you're just packing away all your stuff, or worse, moving it to a storage locker, you still have all that stuff. And it doesn't address the core issue. This solution is doomed to fail and cost you a lot in wasted time and money in the long run. The self-storage industry is a $39.5 billion industry. Most people have a storage unit for 2 years or more at minimum, and the cost is sometimes around $400 a month. That's a total of $9,600. And this only perpetuates the clutter cycle for years. And that's why it feels impossible to fix and never ending. So what do? Well, the first thing I do with my clients is to tackle that storage locker first so that they can stop the financial drain ASAP. Not to mention the mental clutter, knowing how much stuff is costing you monthly. Now, maybe you don't have a storage locker and you want to get started on your home. Well, whether it's a locker or your closet, you must declutter first to reduce the amount of stuff you own. That's step number 1. Doing this will lift a huge weight off your shoulders, so you'll feel better fast. You'll also feel lighter and more capable of tackling all of your clutter. But how do you declutter all those years of stuff? I laid it all out in my free 5-minute video called The Declutter Game. It's the very first thing I do with my clients. This method works. I call it a game because it's fun and easy to start, and most people have no problem finishing the task after they learn my simple method. Click the link around this video to play it now. Pro tip, you need to do it for it to work.